Are you tired of chasing money? Are you feeling stressed and unfulfilled? If so, you need to stop chasing money. I know what you're thinking. But money is important. I need money to live. And you're right. Money is important. The problem with chasing money is that it's a never-ending pursuit. There's always more money to be made, and there's always someone who has more money than you. This can lead to a lot of stress and anxiety. It can also lead to you making decisions that are not in your best interest, just so you can make more money. The solution is to stop chasing money and focus on creating value. When you create value, you're providing something that people want or need. This can be anything from a product or service to a piece of content or an experience. When you create value, you're not just making money, you're also making a difference in the world. There are many benefits to creating value instead of chasing money. First, it's more fulfilling. When you create something that people value, you feel a sense of satisfaction that you can't get from chasing money. Second, it's more sustainable. When you focus on creating value, you're not at the mercy of the market. You're creating something that people will always want or need. Third, it's more likely to lead to long-term success. When you focus on creating value, you're building a business or a career that is based on something real. There are many real-life examples of people who have stopped chasing money and found success by creating value. For example, Elon Musk is a billionaire who has achieved great success in the business world. However, he has said that he is not motivated by money. He is motivated by the challenge of solving problems and making a difference in the world. Another example is Jacqueline Novogratz. She is a social entrepreneur who has founded several organizations that help people in need. She has said that she is not motivated by money. She is motivated by the desire to make a difference in the lives of others. So, if you're tired of chasing money, I encourage you to focus on creating value. It's the best way to find happiness, fulfillment, and long-term success. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to stop chasing money and focus on creating value. Click here to watch this video about Elon Musk. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. See you there.